Hi, my name is David Crew. I'm a gas inspector with Energy Safe Victoria, and I will be discussing proposed changes to AS NZS 5601. By way of background, the Standards Australia AG6 Committee is comprised of 35 members representing various organisations within the gas industry. This includes the Gas Technical Regulators, Master Plumbers, Gas Appliance Manufacturers Association and Gas Energy Australia. The current AS NZS 5601 project commenced back in July 2016, with a public comment draft expected to be released in early 2021. Everyone is given the opportunity to comment on the draft. Once the public comment draft closes, all comments were reviewed by the Standards Committee, and a second public comment round may be required based on the extent of changes made. The final publication of the standard will be made once the final draft has been accepted by a committee ballot. Some of the proposed changes to the standard include: Section 2 has been separated into essential safety requirements and performance-based requirements. Brazing to be prohibited within 1 metre of a joint with non-metallic components. New drawings including penetration details for consumer piping in cavities consistent with plumbing installation standard AS NZS 3500 series. Prohibition of the installation of multi-layer pipe above ground and external to buildings. The provision of an emergency isolation for multi-layer pipe installations will be required. There will also be a new definition for fire safety systems. Further proposed changes include increased clearance requirements between domestic cooking appliances and range hoods to align with international standards. There will be an update to the pipe sizing graphs and tables, additional information on the effect of altitude on gas supply pressures for high-rise building installations, revised requirements for the installation and location of flue terminals under a covered area, in a recess, or on a balcony. For example, this means that flue terminals will now need to terminate beyond a covered area. New requirements for the location of appliances on roofs, walls, and elevated structures. Some further works we have lined up for AG6 to consider include the revision of clauses relating to pipe support in AS NZS 5601, including rod diameter sizes, revision of flue terminal locations, a new biogas installation standard, commercial catering requirements to be included in AS NZS 5601 Part 2. This information is relevant to mobile catering installations. How can you comment on AS NZS 5601, the public comment draft? Well, there are various avenues to comment, including through the Master Plumbers, and members can approach the Master Plumbers directly for comment. You can also directly comment via the Standards Australia portal. Submissions must identify the clause that you are commenting on and a proposed solution.